Welcome to another episode of WWB Smackdown. We have a good show here. Now let's get this show started. Introduced to the ring, making her WWB debut. She is the WWB 24/7 champion, Mandy Rose. Mandy Rose won the 24/7 title on her debut at Backlash. Well, can she make it to the Money in the Bank? And her opponent, Emma. Emma has lately been on a losing streak here, guys. Can she finally break that losing streak here and make it to the Money in the Bank and win the 24/7 title? This match has started. Emma grabs Mandy. Oh! Huh? No. Oh my goodness. Mandy Rose. Now grabs her. No. Emma. Oh my goodness. Oh. My. Multiple punches. Puts her back in the ring. No, oh! My goodness. Oh! Boom! Punch to the face. But no, Mandy Rose picks her up by one hand. Oh! Now, what is this? What is this? Oh! But no! Emma slams her down. Now, what? Oh! Emmanuel versus it. Oh! And a kick to the face. Another kick to the face. Mandy Rose. Oh my goodness. And again. But she's not staying down. No. A slam to the ground. Now picks her up. Body slam. And again. That is it. No. Now. One. Takes on at one. A slap to the face. Mandy. Now, what is this? DDT. That is it. 1, 2, 3. Introducing this match. She is the WWB 24/7 champion, Mandy Rose. Mandy Rose is going to Money in the Bank. Introduced the ring, Bobby Roode and Dolph Ziggler. Bobby Roode and Dolph Ziggler in this title match. Could they win the titles? This could be huge for them. It could. And their opponents, they are the SmackDown Tag Team Champions, Otis and Chad Gable, the Alpha Academy. Well, can Alpha Academy retain their titles before Money in the Bank? Or will they be titleless? And this match just started. Bobby Roode going after Chad Gable. But Chad Gable. Oh my goodness. No. Bobby Roode. Oh. Stomps on the back. Stomp. Oh my goodness. Now picks him up. Picks him up. Oh! Now, looking to go for that dive here. He's thinking about it. He's thinking about it. Will he do it? Oh, he does. Oh! He misses completely. He took too much time. He took too much time. Oh my goodness. That was not a smart move here by Chad Gable. Bobby Roode is up. Oh! Straight into Otis. Oh! Oh my goodness. Now looking for the splash. And now, oh my. One. Ah, kick out at one from Bobby Roode. Bobby Roode is gonna get tagged in. Dolph Ziggler. Oh, Chad Gable. Oh my. Tagged Otis. Oh no. Oh no. Whoa, body slam. Oh my. No. 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 No, 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 no. Oh! My goodness. Bobby Roode getting beat up here. Pull him to the corner. Ah, stay in that corner. Oh, yeah. Oh! Bobby Roode gets out of the way. Oh! Stomp to the chest. No. Lifts up. Oh, lifts up. No. No. 1, 2, 3. Oh! He got it there. He almost had it. Come on. Get up. Oh, no. Otis flattens him. 1, 2. Oh. A kick out at 2. Otis is mad. He's mad. No. No. Oh. 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 Gets out of the ring. Oh. No. No. My goodness. Now, what is it doing here? But no. Otis. Oh. You're going to have to. Bobby Roode. He's going to have to tag in Dolph Ziggler. And quick. Oh, low blow. Low blow. Attack. To Dolph Ziggler. Now here comes Dolph Ziggler. Oh. Oh my goodness. And a leg drop. To Otis. No. Let it go for the powerbomb. No. Otis. That's be it. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Kicked out at 2. Otis is going to have to think of something here. Moves out of the way. Zigzag. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Kick out at 2. No, Dolph Ziggler is gonna go off the top rope. No. Oh! No. Oh! My goodness. 1, 2, 3. And just won this match. And still, your tag team champions, Otis and Chad Gable. Well, boy, what a great match right here, guys. Let's go on to our next one. And now let's go on to our main event. Introduce the ring, accompanied by Riddle, the Universal Champion. He is one half of RK Bro, Randy Orton. Can Randy Orton make it to Money in the Bank? And Riddle and Randy Orton could be WWE Champion, Universal Champion. I don't know, but he could go for the Universal Championship. Yeah, that's if Riddle loses it. I don't think he'll turn Riddle. But anyways, and his opponent, T-Rex. I'm going to win this match. T-Rex for World Champion. Well, guys, start this match. Kick to the face. Randy Orton. But no. T-Rex. Oh! Oh my! What a punch from T-Rex. Oh! My goodness. Oh! 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 Has him by the antlers. But no! He reverses it. Antlers still. Oh! Suplex. Oh! Stomping on him. But I'm back in the ring. Failing to stand up. Punch to the face. Punches. Oh! Punches. But no! T-Rex. T-Rex for Now, oh my goodness, come on. Get up. Oh, kick in the face. Oh, T-Rex. Stomp on that arm. No. No. Oh. Now, Randy Orton looking face to face. No. From the top. From the top. 1, 2. Kick out at 2 from Randy Orton. Randy Orton looking hurt, guys. Oh. 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 I don't know if he's gonna make it to Money in the Bank. No! And now, what's he doing here? Oh! Now, going for the RKO. But no, T-Rex. Gonna reverse it. He does. And I'm in the antlers of the power bomb. 1, 2, 3. Oh! He kicks out at 2. What is he gonna take? What is it gonna take? Diving headbutt. Oh my goodness. Get up, baby. Get up. Looking for another power bomb. No. Randy Orton, RKO. That is not it. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Kick on her 2. Stop on the face. Randy Orton wants to win his first world championship. No. Oh! Oh! What? No! He picks him up! Oh! Randy Orton getting up there. Oh! One to the face. But oh! Oh! Randy Orton. Oh! My goodness. Now looking for the RKO. He's got it. RKO. Another one for good measure. 1, 2, 3. Introducing in this match. And he's going to Money in the Bank. Randy Orton could go for the World Heavyweight Champion. WWB World Champion was a Universal. No. This can't be. This can't. I want to be World Champion. This can't be it. Whoa. Guys, what is next for Tree Rex? Whoa. Just that's it. Oh! It's AJ Styles! It's AJ Styles! Styles Clash! Oh my one. Well, we know now what's gonna be in store for Tree Rex and Money in the Bank. We'll see you guys in the next one.